Hey guys, welcome to another video of SM Solutions. So I'm looking at the ticker CAAS. This stock is, you can see here, it's his 52 weeks high. I'm gonna bring you just the daily chart just to show you something. So this is the daily chart of the ticker CAAS. So you can actually see that here there's a resistance. A couple times touched this resistance of 373, and the moment that broke resistance become a support. So this is textbook buy and sell on the resistance, and you can see that right now the price is trading at around $7. So never touched this $7 for all the year. So yeah, so I'm looking to trade this ticker. Now the question, should I go long or short? So I'm gonna let you think. I'm gonna just put the chart like this. What do you think? You have 10 seconds because market will open in a couple of seconds. So me, my strategy just to go fast is to short. I want to see the stock, even if it can break a little bit of this resistance 766, just to let people buy. And personally, I think it's going to be a false breakout. So if it can break this 766 and go down, it's going to be perfect. So market open. Don't forget, guys, we have a VWAP here around support also. So this line of 710 is going to be a key area. You see? That's what I was looking at. 766 went to 7. So I'm gonna wait for the first candle to finish. I don't want to see this candle break VWAP because it's a big movement, went for 774 to like 710. Like I said, this thing is a little bit overextended. You can see on the 5 minute, this thing is just going up, up, up. Had a couple of pullback, but for me, it's too overextended. Previous close 383. So yeah. I mean, I did not wait. I think this stock want to go down even more. So I got in at 677. So I did not wait my 629. The reason is I didn't want to miss the movement. I thought that this thing was going down more quick than that. So now it's in period of consolidation. So what's the high? 694. So at 7, I'm gonna put stop loss here. Stop market. So that's why I keep 2 level 2, guys, by the way. There's a lot of buyers around this area, 674. If it can break 630, this stock will crash, I'm pretty sure. $630, first 675 is a key area also, but 630 is going to be, what I'm saying 630, sorry guys, 661. I'm looking at another ticker, that's why. Let's go. Let's go sellers, come on. Break this 675. So broke 675. Let's go, let's go. So can it break this 663, 60? So So you see how much buyers there's. This video is actually long, huh? It's been 12 minutes I'm recording. So a lot of buyers at 660. So that's gonna be the key area. So I'm ready to cover my position the moment that it break this 660. Let's go sellers. So now buyers should be if AMC is coming up. So it's normal to see another movement because we are on a support right now, but yeah. Nice. I'm out. What? I only covered $61. I was at $90. Oh my god. So I'm gonna get in again. They made 662. Miss. I'm in. Yeah, I'm in for only 300 shares. So that's okay. So I just got filled 300 shares. Shit happens. Let's go. Break this 650. Nice. Go. So I just got filled. I only got filled 300 shares. The first time that I exit, I thought that I was at up $100, but I got filled so bad with my market order. That's why. You know what? 300. I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. If you can break this 45, let's go. I don't want to be too greedy, so I'm gonna put 45 first, 100 shares. I decided to cancel my order because I think this thing now want to go a little bit more. That's why. And I'm out. Or not. Yes, so $100 on the dot almost. The reason is the movement didn't move as I wanted. So anyways, so $100 for the day. I'm gonna call it a day. I need to go on my main account, so call it a day for the small account. That was long video, 12 minutes, 17 minutes. Anyways, so I hope that you like this video. If you have any question, guys, you can always leave them on the comment. Guys, don't forget to drop a like if you like those type of video. If you have any suggestion, you can always leave them also on the comment. Have a good one, guys, and trade safe, guys. Ciao.